What if I told you that learning a new language doesn't have to take years of frustrating grammar drills and boring vocabulary lists? What if there was a way to learn 10 times faster, without textbooks, without endless memorization, and without even feeling like you're studying? No, this isn't some impossible dream. It's a science-backed strategy used by the world's fastest language learners. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to do it. Step 1. Immersion without traveling. People say the best way to learn a language is to move to a country where it's spoken. But what if you can't just pack your bags and go? Simple. You bring the country to you. Change your phone's language settings. Start watching movies and YouTube videos in your target language. Listen to podcasts even if you don't understand a single word at first. Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. It will start picking up common words and sentence structures without you even realizing it. Here's a crazy fact. Babies don't memorize grammar rules. They just hear a language over and over until it becomes natural. You can do the same thing. Surround yourself with the language, and soon it will feel like second nature. Step 2. The 80-20 rule. Did you know that in any language, only about 20% of the words make up 80% of daily conversations? That means you don't need to learn every word in the dictionary. Instead, focus on the most common words and phrases first. Learn greetings, common verbs, and basic connectors. These words act as the foundation of fluency. Master them first, and you'll be able to hold basic conversations almost immediately. Step 3. Speak from day one. Most people make the mistake of waiting until they feel ready before speaking. That day will never come unless you start now. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a huge vocabulary. You just need the confidence to try. Find a language partner online. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Even narrate your daily actions in the new language. The goal isn't perfection. It's to make mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. Step 4. Use the dual translation method. Here's a game-changing technique. Take a short text in your target language and translate it into your native language. Then, after some time, translate it back into the target language without looking at the original. This forces your brain to recall words, structure sentences, and actively engage with the language rather than just passively absorbing it. It's like a workout for your brain, and the results are stunning. Step 5. Trick your brain with emotion. Your brain remembers things better when there's an emotional connection. That's why you still remember that one embarrassing moment from middle school, but forget what you ate for lunch 2 days ago. To hack this, attach emotions to what you learn. Laugh at a joke in your target language. Watch an intense drama. Learn a romantic phrase and imagine saying it to someone. When you feel something, your brain locks in the memory. Step 6. Think in your target language. This might sound impossible at first, but it's a game changer. The reason most people struggle with fluency isn't vocabulary, it's translation. They're constantly translating every sentence in their heads instead of just thinking in the new language. Start small. When you see an object, name it in your target language. When you're walking down the street, describe what's happening around you, in your head. Over time, this will become automatic, and suddenly speaking will feel effortless. Step 7. Consistency beats intensity. Cramming for hours won't help if you forget everything the next day. The key? Short, daily sessions. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day is enough, as long as you're consistent. Your brain works best with repetition over time, not information overload in one sitting. So instead of studying for 5 hours once a week, study for 20 minutes every day. Trust me, the results will shock you. Step 8. Use memory triggers. Pairing information with sensory triggers can boost recall. For example, associate a word with a smell or taste. Learn apple while eating one. Use gestures when saying words to engage muscle memory. Link words to funny images or stories in your head. The weirder and more vivid the connection, the stronger the memory. The biggest reason people quit learning a language? It feels like work, so don't make it feel like work. Play video games in your target language. Sing along to foreign songs. Text a friend in the new language. The more fun you have, the faster you'll learn. You don't need talent. You don't need years of study. You just need the right strategy. Follow these steps, and you'll be shocked at how quickly you pick up a new language. So you've got this. It's your life, but smarter.